Namaskar. Very good morning to all of you for this online art exhibition being held in collaboration with Kalamitra Foundation and Dowli College of Art and Crafts. Mr. Panchanand Samal, Ramesh Garu, Mr. Vijay Andani of Ideal Fine Arts Society, Kaliburgi, and all the online artists. So it's not a mean achievement. 150 artists coming together and showing their works of art. I have seen this exhibition online. It was a feast to the eyes, and the most senior artists are there participating. Well, friends, if I would like to tell you that this is we are going through a phase of darkness. We are not able to go to gallery. Artists are not able to go to their studios and discussing on art over a cup of coffee or tea. So all that they are doing is that they are in the house, but then they are doing their creative works. Now at this point of time, 150 artists coming together and holding an exhibition, online exhibition, is something to watch for. And Dowli Art College, in collaboration with Kalamitra, has taken up this task. And I thank all the 150 participating artists of this exhibition. Now the silver lining here in this lockdown is that you can always keep sketching. You can do some small works. It is not that you should do large scale works. I remember my graphic artist, Mr. T. Sudhakar Reddy from Visakhapatnam, who used to tell me that it's not necessary that you do some large scale works. Large scale works are important if you hold an exhibition in the gallery, but then you can also do some small miniature works. You can do some preparatory sketches for doing some big works. This gives you a scope. It gives you a scope for also to interact with children, do some life studies, be there, do some quick sketches, and to keep on doing some work. Well, yesterday I had seen art and culture report, which says that there's an artist called San Yu. He's born in China. He belongs to late 19th century, 1895. He traveled to Paris in 1920, married a Paris lady of France in 1929. And the heading says that artist from Sichuan lived a poor life in Paris. So he did about 2,000 sketches and 56 oil painting nudes. His 4 nudes that has been done has been sold for a whopping $305 million at the Christie's auction a week back. So the moment you start working, these negativities will not hold any significance at all. So your work is going to stand the test of time. So keep working, turn negativity into positivity. Thank you very much for this.